Hello everyone, today I am presenting my skill minor project titled Sales Performance and Employee Management Analysis System. In this project we analyze two tables, order table and employee table. Order table contains order number, purchase amount, date, customer ID and salesman ID. Employee table contains employee details such as name, destination, salary department and commission. The project is divided into three levels, beginner level, advanced level, intermediate level. Using SQL query, we perform data retrieval, filtering, aggregation, grouping and analytical operation on the given data. Now let's look at the question one by one. List all order with order number, purchase amount and order date. Here we need to display only three columns from the order table. Therefore we use select statement and specify the column name, order number, purchase amount and order date. The from clause tell SQL that the data should be retrieved from the order table. The output shows all order number along with purchase amount and order date. Find order with purchase amount greater than 500. In this query, we use where clause to filter records. Only those records whose purchase amount is greater than 500 are displayed. The asterisk symbol means all columns of table will be shown. Retrieve order placed on a specific data or within a data range. This query retrieves order placed on a particular date. The where clause checks whether the order date matches the specified value. The output contains only those orders placed on the given input. Count how many orders were recorded in the table. Count is an aggregation function used to count rows. This query tells us how many orders are present in the order table. The result is displayed with analyzed total order, maximum and minimum purchase amount. Max finds the highest purchase amount and min finds the lowest purchase amount. This helps us identify the largest and smallest sales value in the dataset. List all employees with their name, destination, and department. This query displays employee name, destination, and department number from the employee table. Retry employee learning more than a certain value. Using where clause, we filter employee learning more than 50,000. This helps identify highly paid employees. Find employee hired at a certain date. This query returns employees hired at January 1st, 1995. The comparison operator greater than is used with the date. Display employee who have a commission. This query defines employee who receive commission. The condition check whether the commission column contains the commission amount. Count employee department wise. Group by. Create group based on department number, and count calculates the number of employees in each department. Calculate the total purchase amount across all orders. This query calculates the total sales generated from all orders. The sum function adds all purchase amount present in the order table. The result shows all the overall revenue generated. Group orders by date and calculate total sales per day. Here the group by clause order based on the order date. The sum function then calculates the total sales for each day. This helps us understand daily sales performance. Find top 5 highest purchase amount. This query finds the top 5 highest value order by descending arrangement purchase amount from highest to lowest and limit 5 display only at the first 5 records. Categorize order into low, medium and high. This query uses the case statement to categorize order. Order below 500 are marked as low. Order between 500 and 2000 are marked as medium. Order above 2000 are marked as high. This makes sales analysis easier. Find average salary department. This query calculates the average salary for each department. Group by creates department-wise group and average find the average salary within each department. List employees under a specific manager. This query displays employee whose report to a specific manager. Here manager ID 6 is used. The where clause filters employee working under that manager. Identify the highest and lowest employee. This query identifies employee with the highest and lowest salary. Max defines the highest salary while min defines the lowest salary. The query then displays the corresponding employee records. Show employee whose commission percentage is more than 10% of salary. This query compares employee commission with 10% of their salary. Employees whose commission exceeds this value are displayed. It helps identify employees learning significant initiatives. Group employee by destination and count employees. This query groups employee based on their job destination and counts how many employees being to each role. It helps understand workforce distribution. Analyze monthly and quarterly sales trend. This query analyzes sales month-wise. The subtract function extracts the month from the order date and sum calculates the total sales for each month. This helps identify high sales and low sales month. Identify quaternary sales trend. This query identifies unusual or abnormal order with very high purchase amount about 3,000 or very low amount below 100 are displayed. These records may require further investigation. Creating a running total sales of overtime. This query calculates a running total of the sale. As each order is proceeded according to the rate, the cumulative sales amongst keeps increasing. This helps track sales growth over time. Classify customers by total purchase requires grouping customer ID. This query groups order by customer and calculates each customer's total purchase. Customers can then be classified as low value, medium value, or high value customers based on their spending. Rank employee by salary with each department. This query ranks employee according to the salary within the department. Partition by separate department and rank assign position based on the salary. The highest salary receives rank 1. Determine the median salary. Determine the median, mode, and percentile salary. The median salary represents the middle salary value when all salaries are arranged in ascending order. Unlike the average, the median is less affected by extremely high or low salaries. Determine the mode salary. This query defines the mode salary, which is the salary value occurring most frequently in the employee table. The salary with highest frequency is considered as mode. Percentage salary. Percentage is compared with the min and the max. The min is the low value and max is the high value. Identify employees who have not received commission at all. Here we use a select statement for employees to be displayed that who not received a commission. And with a null character means 0. Evaluate manager-wise employee count and salary cost. Here we use count function to count manager-wise salary and amount by group by manager. We used to analyze sales and employee data effectively. We learned how to retrieve records using select statement, filter data using where clauses, perform calculations using aggregate functions such as count, sum, average, max, and min, group records using group by, categorize data using case statement, perform advanced analysis using Windows functions such as rank and running total. Overall, this project demonstrates how SQL can be used for business reporting, employee analysis, sales tracking, and decision making. Thank you for your listening. I hope this presentation helped you to understand the practical application of SQL in the real world business scenarios.